Hello, my dear students. I am Rajkumar Kalia, working in Vrindavan Group of Institutions, situated at Main Bagaluru Road, Yalanka, Bangalore 63. In my free time, I am working for the students, putting my videos, helping them. Whenever they feel convenient, they can see. Without paying anything, they can save the money of their parents. And how many times you want, you can see it. If you are not getting a point, just see it repeatedly. So like that, I am trying to help the students with the thinking that in turn students will subscribe and put thumb up and icon bell so as to get the new video. In the last video, we were discussing Eklund method. One student has put me the question that I am saying leading entry should be 1. Leading entry should be 1. I am not saying, nowhere you see the video once again, I am not saying leading entry should be 1. Leading entry should be preferably 1. Leading entry should be preferably 1. Not definitely. 1 we can make it at any time. When we are having 0, 0, we can divide it. In fact, our aim is below this entry, below the leading entry. It is the leading entry of the determinant. Then when we will come down, we will get the leading entry of the rows. Below this entry, all the entries should be 1. That is our basic aim. We want to actually convert this lower elements to 0, or you can say lower triangle to 0. We want to make it upper triangle, means we want to make the lower triangle 0. That is our aim. Now if you will make here 1, you have to divide it by 4. So it will come out to be 1 by 4, and laid lot of calculation is there with the fractions where you can do the mistake, even I can do the mistake. So what we will do, we will find some entry within these entry which can make the other entries 0 by multiplying or by dividing. What I want to say you people is, if I transpose this 2 to there, then I can multiply by 2 and then subtract, then directly subtract, then directly subtract. So first step what I will take, R1 to R2 and R2 to R1. Just interchange the two. By interchanging the two, we will get A equals 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. Then first is 4, 0, 2, 1. Third, fourth as it is 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 1, 4. So just transpose. Now see, I can double and subtract, I will get 0. I can directly subtract, I will get 0. I can directly subtract, I will get 0. So that is the aim. Leading entry, below that all should be 0. what I want to teach you is R2. Can I put it as R2 minus double of R1? How you will write it? Keep on writing side by side. Otherwise you can do the mistake. R1. I don't want to touch R1, so put it as it is. Put R1 as it is. Now I have written R2 to R2 minus 2 R1. Double R1 subtract. Double is 2, 4 minus 4, 0. Double is, that is 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Double and subtract, minus 2. Double and subtract, minus 4. Double and subtract, minus 7. It is double of R1. Double of R1. Double of R1, subtract. Double of R1, subtract. Double of R1, subtract. Double of R1, subtract. Now, similarly, R3, I can put it as R3 minus R1. 2 minus 2 is 0. R3 minus R1, 0. Minus R1, 2. Minus R1, 1. Minus R1, 3. Always check the entry second time here, because it is just with the numbers we can do the mistaken addition and subtraction. R3 minus R1. It's R3 minus R1, 0. Minus R1, 2. Minus R1, 1. Minus R1, 3. Minus R1, minus R1, minus R1, minus R1. So like that we will get R3. Then R4. R4 minus R1. R4 minus R1. R4 minus R1, 0. Minus R1, 2. Minus R1, minus 2. Minus R1, 0. See it once again. Minus R1, 0. Minus R1, 2. Minus R1, minus 2. Minus R1, 0. So like that we will get R4 minus R. After that, see here, second row, I have minus 2. I want to put here 0. I have so many ways. I can here even multiply by negative and make it positive. Right now I think it is not required. When we will add these two, we can make it 0. So simply make it 0 by saying R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3, we can make it here 0. R2 to R2 minus R3. R2 to R2 minus R3. It means I am silent about R1. That is 2, 1, 3, 4. I am silent about R. No, I am not silent for R2. R2 minus R3. R2 plus R3 to make here 0. To make here 0, add the 2. So we will get 0. R3 to R2 plus R3. R2 as it is, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 7. R1 as it is, R2 as it is. Now changes with R3, I want here 0. Just add the two. R2 plus R3. By adding I will get 0. By adding I will get minus 3. By adding I will get minus 4. Then again here I want 0. R4 to R4 plus R2. R4 to R4 plus R2, 0, 0, minus 6, minus 7. Like that we will get. Now come to third row. Leading entry is minus 3. Below this, I want to put 0. I will double and subtract. That is R4 to R4 minus double of R3. I will get silent about R1. Silent about R2. Silent about R3. Come over here where I want to put 0. R3, R4 to double of R3 and subtract. Double of R3, subtract. Double of R3, subtract. Double of R3 and subtract, we will get 0. Double of R3 and subtract, we will get 1. So like that we can do it. Now what we can do? In fact, we are not getting any 0. All are non-zero, therefore rank is 4. Rank is coming out to be 4. Now you will do one thing. R1 to half of R1. Half, 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 half. R3 minus 1/3 of R3. Sorry, first R2 minus half of R2. 0 minus half of R2 minus half of R2 minus half of R2. R3 minus 1/3 of 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 R3. R4 is already 1. So thus we are getting the rank of this S4. Even from here we are getting the rank S4. If you want to put the leading entry 1, you can do like that. So then you can say rank is 4. So like that we can do. Here in the beginning itself, in the previous video, where that student is in trouble, I just told it should be preferably 1, should not be exactly 1. Overall our aim is not to go for fractions, avoid the fractions and put below this 0, 0. This is what we want. Here in this case it is very simple. See, 4 is a multiple of 2, only all others are 2. So we can just put here 1, 2, then double subtract, then direct subtract, then direct subtract. So our sum will start. So I am thankful to the student. At least he has seen the video and put me the doubt. And you are welcome for all the doubts. So that's it for this echelon method. So next I am going to start with the next I will see, I think, rank by normal method, that is canonical method. That's it for this. Good night.